What's happening to me?
Hey, Dexter! Yoo-hoo! Down here! Surprise!
Ah! Ew, ew, ew!
Now unzip your head.
Huh?
Unzip your head, you know, like this. Pretty gross, huh, kids?
Don't do that!
Don't do what?
Stop unzipping my head! No, no, no!
Dexter, open the door, you little dip. I gotta make Tinky.
Well, hi, sport. You must be Duncan. Good to meet ya. Let's wrestle.
Oh, golly. You know how long it's been since I've heard the boys roughhouse.
Ow! Say uncle.
Uncle!
Say, Grandma Moses makes munchy meat most Monday mornings.
Grandma Moses makes munch. I can't.
Wait. Shh, 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 shh. What is that noise? I'll be right back. Would you please stop that infernal raking? It's driving me crazy! Sheesh! Where were we? Oh, yeah. Say it!
Ow! Grandma Moses makes munchy meat.